All right, I'm here today with Miss Maria. How are you, young lady?
Jason.
Nice to see you. And we first met over at Wells Fargo, right?
Wells Fargo.
Yeah, I was doing a health and wellness talk, right? And you came in, and I think it's been a little over a year actually since you've come in for your alignment.
Yeah, like a year and a half.
Yeah, maybe even 2 years, right? It's been a minute, right? We've been in touch loosely here and there, like I got to get in, and right? How's the body doing?
My back is killing me.
Okay, snap. Where? Show me.
My whole upper back and my tailbone.
Okay, so let me ask you this. So the sacrum is right here, and the tailbone is like a little lower than where I am now, so it's really down there?
Yeah.
Okay, so what happened that it's... And up here, what happened, this one, I'm going to start with that, what happened down there?
I have no idea how...
Did you fall down, or?
No.
No? Do you think maybe does it hurt when you sit?
When I sit or when I stand? No, when I stand.
When you stand, not, well, how about getting up? If you
Getting up too.
Getting up and standing.
Yeah.
Got it. And do you ever wear heels? I haven't even looked.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, look at the heels!
All the time.
All the time. Okay, all right.
Even to go to the chiropractor.
Yeah, even to go to the chiro, right? So the lower back, sacral area, coccygeal area is hurting, and then the mid back, what's going on here?
It just feels tense.
Feels really tense?
Yeah.
Okay, well we do have films on you, it's been a while, but we're going to go ahead and give you alignment and see what we can do, right? Okay. Go ahead and lay face down for me, please. And we're going to take a look here. So we're going to start with a big deep breath in and out. And it's been a while, so I'm just going to have you breathe for a moment. And shoulders relax. Breathe in. And out. Yeah, a lot of tension up top.
Right? You can feel it.
I can. When you do this all day for many years, you can feel it. All right, so we're going to start in the mid-lower back. You're going to feel a movement here, a noise. Just remember, it's not the bones rubbing together, right? It's nitrogen gas releasing from your joint. So we're going to breathe in nice and deep, Miss Maria. All the way out. You're going to breathe in again. Hold your breath and lift your head up a little bit.
Oh my God.
How do we do?
Okay, good.
There we go. We got some movement, right? Okay, we're going to breathe in again. And out. And another one. All the way out. Let the chest relax, shoulders relax. Wow, there we go. A little bit of motion, right? Okay, you stay right there. Take a breath in. I'm just looking at your films here. Okay, hips relaxed. I'm going to check. This is your sacrum on the right side. Your sacrum's that bone right before the coccyx. The left sacrum's not moving. Is it okay if I touch right down here?
Fix me.
Fix me, I know, right? Stop it hurting. So this is, that hurts right there. That's the right sacrococcygeal junction. Try to let the hips relax a little bit. I'm sorry if it hurts. Does this one hurt too?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it more over there though? Big time, right? All right. And so we're going to do left. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to start out with you. Let me just bring that there. We're going to start out with you on your right side facing me this way.
Okay.
Come on over this way, yeah. On your side, so bring your arm all the way over with you. There we go. And then we're going to go just like this. Hips relaxed. I'm going to move you right there. Hands right here, my dear. So first we're going to do the lumbar spine. And we're going to go just like that. I'm going to hold you here just as a reminder. I'm going to contact here, and then I'm going to lean over you because the force comes between the hips or the pockets there. So breath in, all the way out. Hips relax. Shoulders relax, just like that, all the way.
Oh,
wow.
Oh my God.
That was a big motion.
That was a big motion.
Okay, you're going to come on over the other way here. Okay. And now we're going to go a little bit lower to that.
God.
Yeah, crazy, right? Hips relaxed. I got you right there. And right there. And I'm going to go. The positioning is so important, like so. So now what I'm going to do, relax the hips a little bit. Let them go. I'm going to do like this. I have to contact way down here. About right there. Are you okay there? You're going to have a breath in and out. Hips relax, shoulders, you see it's starting to move already. I'm going to lean way over you on this one. Shoulders relax, a little bit back.
Oh!
Wow. It's a big motion.
What does that mean when it cracks so much?
So what it means is that there was a lot of tension and tightness built up in the joint, whether it's down low or the vertebrae up above, and that makes the joint not move and pressure builds up inside. So we restore motion, relieve the pressure, and allow the brain and the body to communicate clearly, clear signal top to bottom, so it's like, oh, right? Now you're gonna lay on your back.
I'm like, Jason, I need you right now.
Got you, got you. It's not easy when you're hurting a little bit, right?
Yeah.
Got you. Two, okay. So you stay right there and relax. And so this one's a little bit louder. Remember, it's closer to the ears. Oh my gosh. You're gonna breathe in nice and deep.
Louder?
A little louder, but you're good. You're good. Head relaxed a little bit. Let's breathe in for a second. And out. Breathe again. We're definitely going to start down here. Breathe in again. And out. Head relaxed. Wow. I knew that was going to be big. I could tell.
She's probably like, oh my God, you're loud.
No. You know, we get mixed responses when people have big releases. Like, wow, it's like a shock, but it feels good, right?
Yeah.
I get it. Okay, this one's a little closer to the ears, but it's the same thing. So we're going to breathe in nice and deep, Miss Maria. Yeah. Breath in again. And out. Drop here. A little tight there. Head relaxed. Okay. So rather than forcing it, what we're going to do is tighten your abs. Bring your hands here. We're going to come on up, all the way up. We're going to stand here.
Stand?
Yes, ma'am. You face that way. We're going to adjust your upper back. So turn this way, and then head down. I'm going to put my hands here behind your neck, so I'm going to go like this.
Okay.
Get all this hair out of the
I know,
way
I
here.
just-
There we go.
That's
No, you're good, you're good. And then head down. My hands go here. Yours are going to go on top of mine. And then squeeze down. Here, interlock your fingers for me. Interlock, and then squeeze down, and breathe in. And fall back into me. Fall, fall, fall. Look up.
Oh!
Wow. Huge motion. That was awesome.
That's hilarious. Oh
How do we
my God.
do?
I feel better.
Yeah,
I
right?
swear.
Like crazy, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna text you tomorrow and be like, I could walk again.
Yeah.
Okay.
Can the body heal?
Yeah.
Amazing. Amazing. Good to see you.
Thank you, Jason.
You're welcome, my dear.
Thank you.
All right, let's get rolling. Go grab your phone there.